Hey guys, so I went and tried out that carbon wrap on the bike, and kind of got carried away. Actually, it was looking so good, I couldn't stop using it. So I ended up putting it around the voltmeter or the Gentech. Looks pretty rad. And then I got some around the throttle, which turned out really good. Actually, it works really good on smooth plastic. And it even folded up around the edges. Looks like factory. I ended up doing this side here with a little strip, just so it matches the throttle. But then I couldn't stop. Then I started doing stuff like the bracket for the shock, and then I started doing the headlight, and then I had to stop myself. I'm not, it's just a coincidence, but the pedals just happen to have carbon fiber in them, so it kind of worked out. But stuff does work pretty good for bikes. I'll admit that. Looks pretty good. Other than that, I haven't been doing much. Just wanted to try that out, and I'm kind of amazed at how well it turned out. Not bad for a, well, so I think I paid $30 for the bicycle. It's getting better and better. This part here, though, I likely would like to do this here, but I would have to take it right off. You can see it's all. This was pretty rough to start with, and it looks like it's could use a good sanding, and just cover that with the vinyl wrap. It's starting to rust, but it works great for e-bikes. If you got one you want to snazz up a bit or spruce up your throttle, let's see, go ahead and order this one here. I think I paid like $15 for it. It's pretty good. Later, guys.